This is Frank Sinatra, the dog's name, and the reason you told us, I didn't have the video on. Oh, tell him, isn't he? I tell him the name.
Frank Sinatra.
And why do they call him Frank Sinatra?
Frankie Blue Eyes.
He's got blue eyes. Look at those eyes. Oh my God, he's nervous. It's okay, sweetheart. It's okay. We just love you.
He doesn't like old people. Don't do that. He doesn't like old people.
Well, he likes this.
He does.
We love you.
He's just a little nervous because of all
We
the
love you,
noise.
yeah.
A lot of noise. We can't even bring our dog out. He doesn't like all the noise.
God,
Wow.
he's so precious. How old is he?
He's a year.
And what breed is he?
He's an Aussie Doodle.
Aussie Doodle.
Aussie Doodle.
Aussie Doodle.
No, there's breeders that do all the doodles. Labradoodles. They do Aussie Doodles.
Did you pick him up on a special farm where they breed them?
I went to a breeder, Crockett Doodles.
Oh, wow.
Crockett Doodles. Yeah, and they do all doodles.
Is it local here in Boca?
It's South. They have a lot of ones there in South Carolina.
I bet he was. I don't want to ask you, but was he expensive?
Yes, of course he's expensive.
Over
He was
$1,000?
expensive because he's a blue merle. Now there's Aussie Doodles that look nothing
He's licking
like
my
him.
hand. I feel so good.
They look more like a poodle. He was yawning that means he's showing off.
I love you,
My
Frank
dog
Sinatra.
does it all the time.
I love Frank Sinatra.
My dog yawns and means he's showing
Frank
off.
Sinatra.
Yeah, so sweet.
Oh my God.
So sweet.
Yeah, you're so sweet.
I mean, he likes
I got to take a picture now.